Hi, hi everyone, Chelsea here, and I'm going to be sharing with you import sets inside of ServiceNow. So this allows you to move data and transform data into different areas that you need inside of ServiceNow. Let's get to it. So an import set is a tool used to import data from various data sources and map that data into ServiceNow tables. So here there's multiple different data sources that you can utilize to import. So you can use HTTP, FTP, JDBC, Excel files, CSV files, or XML files. All of these are different data sources that allow you to import it into a set table, and then that transforms it. So keep in mind the files have to be into this format, and understand before you do an import set, what data are you bringing in and where should it be placed. It's good to also plan a time as well. That could just help to make sure everything's safe within the platform. And then also use a staging area. So a staging area allows you to do this without going live yet, where imports can be imported from the data source, and then everything is checked beforehand before going live. So field on the tables are generated automatically as well based on the data that you import. So you may have to just double check things when you use the import set table. So inside of ServiceNow, you may have table fields, for example, like a username, and you want to go ahead and create a user ID with it. So you upload all the usernames and you use what's called a transfer map to find, okay, this username would go with this user ID, first name, last name, things like that. So that's an example of utilizing a transform map. The definition of it is a set of field maps that define the relationship between fields in an import set and fields to a target table. So you have an import set table, and then you have a target table, and that is the transfer map that helps to import these. You can also have what's called a coalesce field. This is a field, or there can be multiple fields as well, where the field will be used as a unique key during imports. So for example, if a match is found using the coalesce field, the existing record will be updated with the information being imported. If there's not a match using the coalesce field, then a new record will be inserted into the database. So that is why to just double check, use staging areas for your import sets. So for example, you go ahead and get your data. It could be an Excel sheet for an example. And then you'll go ahead, save it as a file to go ahead and import. Inside of ServiceNow, you can type in load data, and that'll take you to go ahead and import a set. So you can label it, you'll just click browse. You can add the sheet number, header, rows, state that it's a file or the different data sources, and then you can click submit to import your data. Another thing inside of ServiceNow is when you are updating sets, you can also auto map matching fields. This will help to make sure things automatically are matching the fields as well. Also in this section, you can see update set, auto mapping, mapping assist, validate coalesce field, transform, which will take you to transforming the maps, indexing coalesce fields, and then run a point scan. So all of those are related things also that can help you with importing sets inside of ServiceNow.